Our topic for today is multiplying fractions. Step on doing multiplying fractions. First, multiply the numerator by the numerator. 1/2 is, the numerator is 1. Second, multiply the denominator by the denominator. If 1 is the denominator, the other side is the denominator. Express into lowest term. Example, 1/2 times 3/4 is equal to, first is multiply the numerator by the numerator. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Then 2 times 4 is equal to 8. The answer is 3/8. Second, whole number and fraction. 2 times 2/5. So multiply the numerator and the numerator. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then it is have imaginary 1 if it is whole number. So 1. So 1 times 5 is equal to 5. So the answer is 4/5. Next, mixed number to mixed number. So 3 and 1/5 times 2 and 2/3. So first is the whole number reduced into improper fraction. Oh no, it is a mixed number. Change into proper fraction. To change into proper fraction, how going to this? First, multiply the whole number and the denominator. So the whole number is 5, then the denominator is 5 and the whole number is 3. So then the answer of these two plus the numerator. So the numerator is 1. So 3 times 5 plus 1. I'm going to 1. So the answer is 5 times 3 is equal to 15 plus 1. So 16. 16 over 15. The answer first. Second, 3 times 2 is equal to 4. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So this is the improper fraction. So 16 times 8 is equal to 128. Then 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So 128 over 15. It cannot be reduced. So hope you like it. Enjoy.